Listen, not going to lie to you, today's video is bloody lazy. I can't even be bothered to do a proper voiceover. We're going to do an intro, we're going to look at the build, but let's go through what we got, because we got the 5800X and we got a 3080 coming up. It's a pretty sweet build. So of course, Ryzen 7 5800X, nice little CPU. The theme today is going to be stealth, so we're spending as much as we can on performance. We're not bothered too much about looks, but we still want it to look tidy, but we don't want to put loads of fancy RGB on it. We want to keep the price down. So we're not going for any fancy liquid coolers. Freezer 3040 Esports, that is all you need for a Ryzen chip. Ryzen 5s, Ryzen 7s, that's all you need for it. You don't need super fancy cooling unless you're going for a Ryzen 9 really. Motherboard, reliable, always works. B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi, absolute stonking great purchase this. You know, 100 to 115 pounds, that's a good price for this. Good features, BIOS flashback, USB-C header if you need it, it's very nice. RAM, 16 gigs, DDR4, 3600 speed, Clev Bolt RAM. I don't really care about the brand, as long as it runs at the rated speed, doesn't matter. We're not overclocking it, so who really cares? Star of the show will be coming up shortly. I did tease you there by moving it out, but old reliable Western Digital Blue SM550. You're going to be sick of seeing this SSD, I tell you, because I use it in pretty much every build because the price is good, the performance is decent. You don't need a really fancy SSD for gaming. It's just a waste of money. Spend that money elsewhere in your build. But, of course, eventually we will have to talk about the graphics card. 3080 tough, and my god, I actually got this for £720. Great deal. Stonking card, great cooler on it. I don't think I'll ever see one of these again, but it was very nice, and it helped us keep this build under 1700 quid, 3080 5800X. What can I say? Don't spend your money on RGB, spend your money on performance. If you've got extra money, chuck the RGB on that. Again, performance minded, not going for fancy stuff. 750 watt bronze, as long as it's got good 12 volt rail and it's from a well-known manufacturer, that's fine. You don't need gold, you don't need modular. If you really want it, then great. But this is absolutely fine for what we need. Let's stop talking, let's get building. Enjoy. I'm not going to talk to you again, so everything you see from now on is just going to be Montage City. So if you did like it, give it a subscribe, give it a like, give it a comment, tell me what you like about it, tell me what you hate about it, and let's just all get along, people.